Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you vegetarian dish. It's very tasty and very delicious, and today I'm going to make mooli di purji. So I'm going to use one mooli, one onion, cilantro, 2 teaspoon ginger and green chili paste, ajwain, carom seed, 1 teaspoon. All other spices are half teaspoon each. Turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder, salt, cumin seed. I'm going to grate the mooli and I'm going to use the bigger size. So I'm going to peel it, then I'm going to wash it and then I'll grate it. Onion cut into long slices, and this is how I grated the mooli. I'm going to use olive oil for our tadka, and you can use any vegetable oil. And let's start making our delicious mooli purji. Get a fry pan and I'm going to start gas. Bring olive oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil. I'll bring cumin seed, ajwain, carom seed. We're going to cook for like 10 seconds. This is good enough. Ginger and green chili paste. Bring onion. We're going to cook our onion for a couple minutes. We don't need to burn our onion because this vegetable requires fresh onion. Cooking our onion for 3 minutes. This is how they look, and now I'm going to bring all the spices: coriander powder, garam masala, salt, cumin powder, turmeric powder. We're going to mix it well. And we're going to cook our spices along with our tadka for like 30 seconds. Once they are nicely combined, I'll bring mooli. So I'm going to bring the gas to medium and we're going to mix it well. And keep cooking. Right now, if we see, there is a lot of moisture. The mooli is going to release all the water. So all the water contents get dried up and the mooli going to start cooking. The oil start to ooze out. That's where our purji going to get ready. Exactly 5 minutes. This is how our mooli purji looks. Still a lot of moisture. So we're going to keep cooking. We can cook our purji within 5 minutes by bringing our gas on high. Cooking on a medium gas, that will bring the best taste. On medium gas, cooking for exactly 15 minutes. This is how our purji looks. There is no more moisture at the bottom. So it's all done, and I'm going to bring fresh cilantro and I'm going to mix it. Once it's nicely incorporated, I'm going to dish out. Our quick and easy vegetarian dish is mooli di purji. It's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. You always can serve with the roti, chapati, naan, fulka, paratha, and even puris. And it's very tasty. Please comment below how it turned out for you. And if you like this one, like always, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.